All right, so I bought this condo with cash, and thought I'd point out what we're going to do with it that I think is going to make the value go up by, I think, a lot. Put us at the top end of comparables, maybe even help us compete with the higher prices we had last June. I think it's currently May 2023. The peak was kind of June 2022. Things went down through the second half of 2022 and the first part of 2023. Now they're starting to kind of go up again. Who knows? I'm not hopeful that's going to hold. But in any case, we have this nice tall ceiling area for the living room, dining room. This was a hoarder house, by the way. We're still getting rid of the last of the stuff, but it's kind of a mixture of, you know, our new flooring and cabinets and the old stuff. But in any case, what I wanted to do here is we've got this furnace system. The furnace is right up here, and there's the condensate line coming off of it. And then the ductwork runs from this middle section out to here. They've got a register there in the ceiling, another one over there, and it does the same thing out back this way to hit the bedrooms. We have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condo, right? So we're still low ceiling, and then we're back to high ceiling, and the vents come off the back. So if we leave this middle part with the low ceiling and open up these walls, you know, there's no structural piece to this low ceiling stuff. So if we are able to open up, we get this huge coat closet when you walk in that we don't need. You just walk in, hear them in the door, you walk in, bam. Like, it'd be much better if this was bar stool, high top, right? And I can see through to the kitchen. And while you're sitting at the bar stools, you can see through to the dining room and living room with the kitchen here. So that's, you know, we're obviously going to replace all these cabinets, but the plan is we're going to cut this wall off just above a normal stovetop height and put a counter there behind it, and a what do you want to call it, a hood over the range hood. So that's our plan with this. And I saw something down there. There used to be mice in here, so I thought maybe I was looking at maybe I am looking at a mouse. No, it's just a piece of plastic. In order to make sure we could do this, we put a bunch of holes in the wall to make sure we didn't have any drain lines. So we know there's no structural, but this is kind of what we were worried about. And this is a drain line that is condensate from the furnace here. So instead, we're going to reroute that up in the drop ceiling. See, we get the same kind of precast here as everywhere else, but we can reroute it that way up over, all the way over, you know, in that drop ceiling, all the way over. We have to make a few holes, but we'll get it to here and we'll drop it down this wall and we'll tie into the sink drain. So we're good to take out this wall from here back that way. We also had to make sure we were good to be able to take out the back of this closet. So you can see we hit a bunch of holes in the wall and looked for drain lines, and there were none. So that's pretty much all you need to watch out for. If you're taking a wall down, is there a drain line in it, and is it a structural wall? And we checked the boxes on both of those things. Electric's no big deal to reroute. So we're gonna take that apart, and I think we're gonna have a unit that's nicer than any of the other units in this building. So I'm really looking forward to showing you this when we're done, and you can see how it turned out when it's all said and done. Wish I would have had a video when this was still a hoarder house condition, but didn't quite, wasn't on top of it enough. I had too much going on and didn't get that video for you guys. So in any case, I'll show you this one again when we're done. That's our thought. Anytime you can take walls down to open things up, it's, you know, as long as the comps are higher end and you see the price points there for some comparable sales where the numbers make sense, go for it. But looking forward to showing you this one when it's done. If you haven't already, join our mentorship group at brokervestor.net/sign_up, or just go to brokervest.net. Brokervestor.net, just click on that button. Join our community. It's absolutely free. The best real estate course I think ever made is in there. You can get it for no cost. And then if you'd like, you can partner with us. We'll take care of bringing in your leads and then helping you
to be able to close those leads into deals. And really, that's all there is to real estate. If you have leads coming in and you can close those leads into deals, that's what it takes to have success in real estate. And we would love to partner with you to show you how to do both of those things. So it's our hope that when you join our free mentorship group and join us on our weekly meetings and go through our free course, that will help us gain enough trust with you that you reach out and work with Tom and I to help you close your own deals, bring in your leads and close your own deals. So, thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you in the group.